How to install a ceramic water dispenser. Install the ceramic tap from the outside of the ceramic bowl and tighten it from the outside. Position the plastic top part of the ceramic bowl and tighten it well. Make sure to handle the 18.9 Saint Michel bottles carefully, as they are quite heavy to lift. Remove the protective sticker on top of the bottle. Grab it with both hands, one from the handle and one from the bottom of the bottle. To avoid breaking the nozzle, turn the bottle upside down onto the ceramic dispenser, parallel to the dispenser nozzle. Wait until the ceramic dispenser is full. Press the ceramic tap to dispense room temperature water.